Error LC on the dashboard of the Subaru vehicle means that there is a fault in the low-speed CAN bus connections. What is the low-speed CAN bus in the first place? It's the set of connections and wires that powers non-critical components of the car, like power windows, door locks, climate control features, etc. So the manufacturer uses equipment with slower data exchange than in a high-speed CAN bus, just because it makes this system more reliable, and also high-speed data exchange is not necessary for such equipment. But let's go back to error LC. Now, when you see this warning on the dashboard, there are two most likely culprits: the malfunctioning aftermarket security system or the instrument cluster. If it's the security system, it will most likely need to be replaced or deleted to get rid of the warning. Such systems are connected to the low-speed CAN bus, and they are very often the culprits of such problems with a lot of hard-to-diagnose glitches. Deleting such a system is not a DIY job. You will need to be a car electrician to do this and connect everything properly. The dashboard problems are quite common for older Subaru cars because of soldering joints going out on the main circuit board. The problem may be solved by replacing the instrument cluster, but since there are no new OEM parts available, you're likely to buy the used dashboard with more or less the same problem. The second solution is to find a good car electrician who will resolder the entire circuit board and also repair some minor faults that they will find on the way. This is not going to be very cheap, but I would advise this way because it eliminates the common problem and prolongs the life of the OEM dashboard.